Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire is the fourth installment in the popular fantasy series written by J.K. Rowling. The story follows Harry Potter, a young wizard, as he navigates his fourth year at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. The book begins with Harry eagerly anticipating the Quidditch World Cup, a major sporting event in the wizarding world. However, the event takes a dark turn when Death Eaters, followers of the Dark Wizard Lord Voldemort, disrupt the match and sow chaos. Back at Hogwarts, the school is chosen to host the prestigious Triwizard Tournament, a dangerous competition between three wizarding schools, Hogwarts, Beauxbatons Academy, and Durmstrang Institute. Surprisingly, Harry's name is mysteriously entered into the tournament, making him an unexpected fourth champion. Despite being underage and ineligible to compete, Harry is bound by a magical contract and forced to participate. As the tournament progresses, Harry faces numerous challenges and life-threatening tasks, testing his skills, courage, and friendships. Alongside his loyal friends Ron and Hermione, Harry unravels the tournament's mysteries while dealing with the pressures of fame and the increasing threat of Lord Voldemort's return. Throughout the year, Harry also grapples with new emotions and experiences typical of adolescence. Romantic interests and social tensions arise, adding complexity to his already demanding life. As the climax approaches, the tournament takes a sinister turn. Harry discovers that the true purpose of the Triwizard Tournament was to provide a trap for him, leading to a confrontation with Voldemort. With the help of unexpected allies and his own resourcefulness, Harry narrowly escapes Voldemort's clutches. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire delves deeper into the darker aspects of the wizarding world, foreshadowing the escalating conflict and the return of Voldemort. It explores themes of identity, friendship, loyalty, and the consequences of one's choices. The book sets the stage for the subsequent books in the series, as Harry and his friends prepare for the challenges and battles that lie ahead.